Have a smartphone. For what? You're always on social media. For what? Do you gain from that? Let's do the things that are going to make us gain financial freedom. Hi everybody, good morning. Welcome back to my Creation channels. Are you ready to earn $30 daily online? When I'm talking daily online, I mean to earn money on YouTube. We'll be looking at how you can earn $30 on YouTube using AdSense earning. Let me do this. Yes, let's be prepared today, the month of March, and how we can earn $30 online. And online, we are going to focus more on YouTube. This YouTube, most individuals are struggling looking for other ways of earning that requires you to get a lot of followers, requires you to invest in a lot of energy. You need a lot of traffic. But the method I'm going to bring to you today is a method that I've used for almost more than 3 years. I've been earning more than $100, more than $200. It depends on the day when I've worked hard. But now that you are a beginner who is watching me, or you have not been earning enough money on YouTube, you've been here, I'm going to show you how you can earn $30 on a daily basis. I want you to get your phone, or I want you to get your smartphone. I want you to get your notebook. Let's note down how I've achieved to make $30 and above on a daily basis. You can do it too. Are you a new person that is beginning? Are you feeling that you also want to have passive income? Or you're there, you're like, I want to make this one my main job, my main way of getting money. Today, I'm going to give you some tips. Let's dive in, baby. I would love to congratulate every person that is on Immaculate for having contributed 1,000 subscribers for the month of February. Our goal is 10k by July. Now that we are 5k, let's dive in and see how we can earn the $30 on a daily basis. If you want to know more, by the way, you can visit our blogs. They are simplified. You can also visit our Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Together with me today, we are diving into the first step. There are like 5 to 6 steps that you are going to achieve today. The first one is you have to set up your YouTube channel. When we talk about setting up YouTube and turn it from the general YouTube and make it a personalized channel of your name, depending on the name you want to give and depending on the niche that you want to do. So what you do, you have to choose your niche first. And when you're talking about your niche, you have to be at least choose something that you're passionate about. I always tell people that you choose something that even when you come out of the bed, like the way you see me as I make this video, I'm a bit tired, I'm a bit tense, but because it's what I love, it is within me. I don't need to struggle. I don't need to look left and right for me to come before you. So first, you have to make sure that you look something that is of your interest, that even if I'm coming out of the bed, I can do something. But on the other hand, I recommend you, because most people have been on social media and in particular on YouTube, and they don't earn on a monthly basis. Why? Because of the choices they took from the right way when they were niching down. Now, there are some other people who are going to say, is it necessary to niche down? Yes, it is necessary to niche down. If you want to know why, the reason you need to niche down, I want you to go to the comment section and let me know that you don't know it. Or if you want to know more about it, put it in the comment section. So I advise you, if you're going to niche down, please always, when I talk money, I mean AdSense. It's like taking reviews. We have cooking, we have fitness, we have personal finance. You can go to general education, and even others that you have. But these are the most payable niches. Make sure your channel name is catchy and relevant. Then customize your channel with a professional banner. Don't forget to put your logo. And don't forget to write your clear description, what you want to deal in, what you want people to know about. It talks much about you. The second one, the second step, if you want to earn this $30 per day, you are going to go and start creating content. You guys, if you hear about $30, don't think that you're going to start up immediately and get these $30, but you strategize and work for them. I always better for individuals when I see individuals come to you like our post and start saying you're making money out of us. Why not you make money out of us, me, instead of me making money out of you? If you want to make money right now, it's the foundation. You have to start planning for it. Then you make money out of the people who have not yet known. So when you create high quality content, this is what people say, and this is how it is supposed to be. But you're supposed to do high quality and quantity. To me, if you really want to take social media as an entrepreneur, not just a content creator and you throw and move away. So when we talk about high quality content, you don't need expensive equipment. You just need a smartphone. If you know my beginning, my beginning wasn't that cozy, that friendly. What I had a place to do it from. I had my smartphone. It wasn't even immaculate. Who is always in your space. So I'm in my beautiful kitchen. I would love to invite you or introduce for you one of the series that we're going to start on the Immaculate Show. It's a life experience show. It will be involving, let me say it, my experience in Dubai, my experience in UAE. No, but you can start from there as long as you have basic things like good lighting, you have good where to be, you have your phone, you are good to go. So make sure your videos are engaging, informative, and provide value to the audience. Consistency is the key. To aim to upload at least 2 to 3 videos. When you reach on consistent level, I always sit there. I always fight with you. Most people think consistency is once in a week, once in a month. Consistency, if you go to the English way, it's what you will schedule. If you say my consistency is once in a year, that is your consistency. But if you're a person who wants to make money out of social media, me, the way I treat my job is the same way I treat my social media platforms, especially YouTube. So I encourage you, please, at least produce 2 to 3 videos on a weekly basis. You optimize your video as to SEOs. Most of us, we don't know this, but at least you're lucky that I'm telling you. Some of us were not told when we were starting, but we found it out. If you're watching me, please always get time. Like me, I'm very busy, but I always get time. Go back and optimize my videos. How do you optimize your videos? You use some of the optimization tools. We have like we have TubeBuddy, we have VIDQs and others. This one, they make sure that the CEO search engine optimization brings at least the keywords, key searchable words, titles, descriptions. They bring them together and help your video to be distributed, to be searchable, to be recommended in different ways. For example, if your video is about a home workouts, including you have to increase phrases like beginner workouts or home fitness tips in your metadata. This will help you and it will help other people to find your content. When we talk about metadata, I did a video on metadata. You can see it in our previous videos. Let's dive in and see, why do you need to optimize this video? We need to optimize videos because out in every minute, the research shows that in every minute, millions of videos are being uploaded every minute. So what about every hour? What about every day? Now, if every minute is receiving those millions of videos, how do you expect yours is going to beat the competition and be on top of other videos? One, you have to make sure that you have searchable keywords. First step for you to start earning these $30 on a daily basis, you have to make sure that you enable monetization process. What are we talking about enabling monetization process? Once you have uploaded a few videos and gained some traction, it's time to enable your AdSense. To qualify for you will need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once approved, you can start earning money from ads displayed on your videos. you guys, don't be intimidated by these 1,000 subscribers. What you need to do is right away start uploading videos that have value. When we are talking about value, we need what you start solving a problem. There's someone out there who wants your solution, who wants you to speak, and he says, oh my God, I've been waiting for this answer from someone. So you don't underestimate yourself. Don't underrate your content. The only thing is that whatever you're going to do, you ask yourself, if I would post this, if I would find this posted, would I be interested to watch? So in this, it will be easier for you to get 1,000 subscribers, to get for you 4,000 watch hours. And when you reach there, you enable the journey begins of part 2. And that part 2 of the journey, let me see it in the 5th point. What do you do now that you have enabled? Is it easy for you to get the $30? Yes, it's easy, and at the same time, it's hard. Most individuals, it's very hard for them to get even $2 out of 1,000 views. Why? Because of the things I've told you. The moment you're beginning, niche down your niche. And it's not about niching down your niche. Also, get to know the competition. If you go and join a high competition niche, get to know that. Of course, you're going to get small dollars. So start right away. Now, what do we do here? We have to promote our videos. If you follow my videos, you'll find that I always promote my videos on my status. I always promote the videos on Facebook, on Instagram, and on TikTok. The way I promote them is different from how you might want to promote yours. The only thing I would recommend you to do, always make sure that your videos are promoted after 1 hour or 2 hours of your premiering. Reason is you need to give a chance to let YouTube algorithm do its part. Then you'll do your part later. So if you go to Facebook, don't just rewatch on YouTube. Please don't rely on YouTube algorithm alone. Promote your videos on social media forums and even platforms. Share your content in relevant communities and engage with your audience. The more views you get, the more you will earn from AdSense. However, you guys, get to know, where should I post my video link? I don't always encourage people to distribute their video links, especially in unknown places, because it can end up bringing for you a lot of issues as far as recommendations is concerned. It makes us go to the 6th point, the 6th step in improve your analytics. I was somewhere recently, and one of the person that was speaking was like, analytics is bullshit and other things. Everybody knows how to take your shop or your what you're selling to people. But now, take an example. Always get advice from a person you're in niche with, you are in line with. You might be listening to somebody who is not into AdSense earning, is only minding about getting money from maybe brand sponsorship, maybe from affiliate marketing. That person might not even mind about these analytics and other things. But you analyzing on analytics will matter so much. What your analytics, you will see your click-through rate. And imagine, why do people click so much on this video? Why not on the other one? Why is my audience dropping from here? And why is it this video is okay? I always watch my videos because, yes, I'm busy, but I get time and rewatch my videos. You find people say, Christine, you watch yourself. I watch them because I want to see, why did this video do better than the other? And why did the other one do worse? And made by same person, the analytic made everything is almost the same from the same source. Why? So it is always better for you guys to analyze. You check the metrics. You even check the watch time, you click through rate, your audience retention, and see what is working and what's not working. Use this data to improve your content and grow your channel faster. Guys, if you have huge number of people, I don't care how many views do you have. I don't care whether you have millions. I'm seeing you millions, but I want you to put your check on the table. Why we are here, why you should be on social media, it is the check. It's the money that you're going to be withdrawing on 21st. And I'm talking to those people who are still relying on AdSense. AdSense earning, that's the money that I'm going to go to bed. I wake up, there is no any company that is going to say that, no, you didn't do this for my for advert, or you didn't. No, that's the money that you get directly, clean, without a hassle. So guys, and there you have these steps that I've given you step by step to guide you earning $30 from YouTube AdSense. Remember, your success does not have a timeline, and it cannot come overnight. But with consistency and hard work, you can achieve your goals. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out our next video with more tips like these ones. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you so much.